Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rashmi. Today I'll be sharing with you all an amazing Korean skin brightening cream which will make your skin super tight and glowing, and it will make you look 10 years younger. It will also make your skin fair and bright. It will remove wrinkles and fine lines from your face. Guys, I'm telling you, this super amazing cream will actually help you reduce age spots, dark spots, shrink open pores, sun tanning, pigmentation, and it will make your skin tight, spotless, bright, and glossy. Guys, we all know that Korean skin is super flawless, and this is a Korean secret formula. So if you use this cream, your skin will also become super soft, glowing, bright, and glossy, and you will be surprised at the amazing results. So let's see how we will make this Korean skin brightening secret cream. But before we begin with the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and press the notification bell to get notified about all my future videos. So to make this cream, we need 2 tablespoons of rice. Guys, I totally forgot to wash the rice, but it's better if you actually wash the rice 2 or 3 times. And then we will soak this in like 1 glass of water. So you can soak it for 1 hour or you can soak it overnight. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. After soaking it for overnight, this is what it looks like. And then I'm just putting it in the pan along with the water that I used to soak it. And we're gonna cook this rice until it's actually really soft and totally like mashed up, and we're gonna let all the water evaporate. So while this mixture is boiling, let me quickly tell you that rice is packed with antioxidants, which help slow down the aging process in our skin and does not let wrinkles and fine lines appear on our skin. Also, it helps reduce pores, which makes the appearance of the skin soft, smooth, and flawless. Apart from that, rice also helps lighten and brighten our skin. It also contains ferulic acid, which is a superb antioxidant, and it helps down the aging process in our skin. So once the rice is all cooked up, the water is all gone, and I'm gonna let this sit and cool off. Once this mixture has cooled off, we will transfer it into a mixie jar. And to the mixie jar, I'm adding like aloe vera juice, the fresh aloe vera juice that I had extracted. It's in one of my previous videos, actually my last video, where I showed how to extract aloe vera gel at home. So this is the pure fresh aloe vera juice, and I'm adding that in it to blend this mixture into a very fine paste. Now we're gonna blend it for a while and make sure that it's like really creamy and it does not have any lumps or any bits and pieces of rice in it. So our mixture is now ready, and this is what it looks like. This is cream of rice. And as you can see, this is a lot. We don't need that much. We need only 4 tablespoons. The rest of it, you can store it in the fridge. And in my next video, I'll show you what to do with it. So here I'm taking 4 tablespoons of the rice cream and putting it in a glass jar. Make sure you store this in a glass jar. And then the next thing we'll add to it is Moroccan argan oil. This is 100% pure Moroccan argan oil from my brand, myGlamUSA. You can get it on my website. I'm adding about 3 dropperfuls, which is about 1 teaspoon of oil. If you don't have argan oil, that's fine. You can add almond oil, or you can also if you have oily skin, you can skip the oil completely. And if you have acne prone skin, you can just add a few drops of tea tree oil. Just skip the regular oil. The next thing I'm adding here is saffrose toner. This is also from my brand, myGlamUSA. So this is a saffron and rose toner. We're adding this to make the consistency of this mask a little thinner. If you don't have saffrose toner, you can just use regular rose water. That's fine too. So our cream is now ready to be used. Now let me tell you the 2 ways that you can use this cream. You can either apply it as a night cream on your face. On freshly washed clean skin, you would apply this as your last step in your night skincare, and then just let it dry because it's a thin layer. It'll take 1 or 2 minutes and it'll dry up, and then you can just go to sleep. This gives a really nice tightening effect. It makes your skin really tight. So you can do that, or I prefer to use it as a mask. So what I just do is I apply it to my clean, fresh skin, like washed face. I apply it, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I do apply a thicker layer, and that way it becomes really super tight on my face, and then I just wash it off with regular cold water. So those are the 2 ways you can use this cream, and both are super effective. So either way is fine, whatever you prefer. You can store this cream in the fridge for up to 7 days. It will last you easily for 7 days. After 7 days, please discard it and make a new batch. So guys, let me tell you that if you apply this cream regularly, you will see that your skin has become very soft, shiny and youthful. It will also help make your skin tone bright and glowy. Along with that, it will also help remove any dark spots and marks from your face. And if you have any fine lines or wrinkles, those will also start to disappear. Also, you can use this cream on any part of your body, be it your hands or your feet. Any part of your body, you can use it to make it bright and light. And guys, do try this cream at home and you'll be able to achieve the Korean super tight, bright, glowy and flawless skin. I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see y'all again. Bye-bye.